Women simply know that they're closer when they engage in sex. They feel it, that their intimacy and their emotions combine with their sexuality. This intuitively is known by a woman. It's not for a man. But men can have a deeply satisfying sexual experience and then go out into the world the next day and they have to begin once again overcoming their sexual nature. It's completely separate from their relationship. It has nothing to do with it. A man can be close, intimate, deeply in love, have great sex at night, for example, and then the next morning he wakes up with this burden that I'm describing to you. So this sexual nature is the makeup of your husband, your boyfriend, your father, your son, gay or straight, by the way. This is not a cultural phenomenon. Gay men and straight men are identical in their sexuality, except for one thing, the object of their attraction. This is the only difference. There is no difference between me and a gay man in my sexual makeup, except for the fact that all of these characteristics are for me towards a woman, and for a gay man are towards other men. If gay men were different in their sexuality, then I would conclude that perhaps a lot of this is cultural. If gay men were raised in a certain way to regard men as sex objects, then maybe this could be argued to be a cultural thing. But that's ludicrous. It's not the truth. I'm talking about what is built in biologically to a man. I want women to know how important it is to recognize if they have judgment towards men about their sexuality. This is key to relearning how to use this knowledge to create deeper passion in your connections with men.